Hello and welcome to Erika Cole Cooking. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a creamy cheddar broccoli soup. Oh my gosh, this one is like one you definitely have to make. It's super easy to make, so let me show you. So here are the things you're going to need for your soup. So you need some garlic, some celery, some onion, sharp cheddar cheese, of course. I got some matchstick carrots, some broccoli, fresh broccoli, y'all. Some flour, chicken broth. I already rinsed the broccoli off. I'm just going to go around each one and just cut. Be really careful. Don't cut yourself, y'all. Take all those smaller pieces out. So I cut all the stems off. I left some on. As you can see, there's like a little bit on there, but for the most part, I got mainly all the stems off. Now I'm just going to chop down, finely chop some of my celery because it's already chopped, but I want it smaller than this. So I'm going to chop it up just a little bit more. And we're not using that much celery, so. And the shopping list will be in the description box as always, so you guys can get the exact measurements and exactly what you need at the grocery store. I like to show you guys me prepping because sometimes when you get the measurements, you don't know exactly how, you don't know how it's supposed to look, even though it might tell you. So I like to do the prep with you guys. That way you can know exactly how I'm doing it and you can follow it by, you know, looking at it visually. So I'm going to chop these just a little bit. If you can buy onions already chopped, this is like the most convenient thing, y'all, because you don't gotta worry about your ass tearing up and all that. And if you need them chopped smaller, you just go back in and chop them a little bit smaller. These have been my go-to like for like a year now. Of course, unless I need a whole bunch of onions, then they're kind of expensive already done, so I'll just go and chop it myself. That gave us so much more. So much more. Okay, so this is all I'm gonna chop. Now we're gonna go ahead and add in our butter. Put into that too. You want to cook these until they are translucent. Okay, now we're going to add in our flour. The flour just soaks up all the butter that was in there. I'm going to put in some salt and some pepper. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and add in my broccoli. I'm putting in all the little, every little piece of broccoli I could get off of my cutting board. I'm putting it in there. Don't want to leave none behind. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and add in my carrots as well. I'm going to be pouring in 1.5 cup of carrots. You can use more or less. So you just want to get that mixed around. We're going to let this cook for about 15 minutes so we can get these veggies soft. So just cover it and check on it to make sure your veggies are softened up. It smells so good already, y'all, and I don't even have all the stuff in there. So now I'm gonna go ahead and grate the cheese. That should be good now, so go ahead and add in our sharp cheddar cheese. This is really easy, guys, and you could just make this, you know, any day. Okay, now you can taste it if you want, but I'm going to add in a little bit of salt again. We'll put in some pepper, a little bit of paprika, just a little bit. Put in a little bit of mustard powder. Okay, now we're going to add in our last ingredient, which will be the half and half. We're about, pouring our half and half. Okay, we'll go ahead and pour in our half and half. You're gonna let that thicken up, so you're just gonna simmer this. But I tasted this and I think I need a few sprinkles of sugar because just to balance out the flavor, so I'm just putting in a few sprinkles. So you taste it first and see if you want to add that, but I just, I just need to balance out those flavors. So I put a few sprinkles in, and it's going to just even it all out so that it's the perfect taste. It smells so good. I cannot wait to put this in my bowl and just tear it up because it smells so delicious, and I love cheddar and broccoli soup. So now it's settled and it's all nice and creamy, y'all. All right, guys, so here is our cheddar broccoli soup, or broccoli cheddar soup, however you want to call it. It is so good, y'all. Look how creamy and look how good it turned out. Y'all, this is better than Panera Bread. If you have Panera Bread, it's better. It's so much better. So anyway, y'all, I'm gonna get out of here. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notifications bell if you're new. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. Follow me on my social medias. My name is Erika Cole Cooking on every platform. That's Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. I'm telling y'all, this one is just gonna knock it right off the park. And don't say I didn't show you. Share this one with your peeps because I know they love good food. I heart food and I heart you. Until the next one.